Actually looks a bit dodgy, whatever you're doing. What are you doing?
I am. So last time I raced buggies, can you believe this? Last time I raced buggies was at the MKGP. That's 2.5 months ago. This buggy has not been used, and I thought I've only done one run of these size, they'll be good as gold. But you pointed out that I'd super glued the sidewalls, and you can't do that here.
Well, you can do it here, but you will not get round the corners because it's very, very low grip.
Yeah, so I'm just sanding blocks, taking off the super glue. It don't work.
Oh well, give it a go.
I've got some new ones, so
give it a go. It's the old Willspeed car though, right? So that'd be nice to see that out and about again. Look at that. Beautiful.
It is a lovely little car. I've scratched it.
Oh.
No.
Well, hurry up, we've got to get in.
I've scratched it there as well.
Did you... Oh, your poor old back.
My old back, my knees actually.
I see you got the old Willspeed t-shirt on. I'm wondering whether that will bring you some luck tonight, perhaps.
Well, let's hope so. Let's hope so. I am running the Willspeed, but I've also brought with me the LD3.
Why don't you remind everybody what car it is you actually have got?
So, I started out life with a TLR 22 5.0 Elite dirt version, and then we got the Willspeed RF3 conversion for it, and it's a lovely car. It's so nice. I almost feel guilty driving it because it's just so nice. It's a beautiful piece of kit. Yeah, looking forward to running it. I've only run it a few times. I ran it at the MKGP last, and before that I ran it at the Willspeed GP, which was amazing. So I don't think I've ever run it here. I've never run it here.
Low grip. We're at DMS today, and it's notoriously low grip, right? Because we've got this car. I don't know what this carpet's called. I can't remember. But
old. It's called old.
It's old. But keeps you honest, this carpet. You have to do a few bits to your car to get round. So.
Well, as I say, you've obviously already seen me in the car trying to sand off some super glue. But you know what? I think I'm going to do is just chuck on a brand new set of tyres.
Why not?
Because why not?
Yeah.
But the reason I was sanding it is because I need different wheels for the TLR, because I need the TLR wheels, and I've only got Schumacher wheels, so therefore I'm going to have to bodge it tonight, and I bodge it and just see what happens.
Oh, right, okay, Carl is on pole with a bump up to the B, so he's in the C. Let's see how he gets on. He's going to have to navigate through traffic. See how we get on. Okay, I'll wait. Clean. Nice. Okay, this is good. It's good. Nice. Right. So far, so good. Okay, good. Either way, this is going to be one of those races where it's gonna be a little bit boring, I think, because it's gonna. You never know though, you could throw it away. So what we'll do, I'll video a little bit more, and then I'll video the bump up, because if he carries on, although He's being a little bit challenged from the person behind him. And actually, if he does make a mistake, he's in trouble, to be fair. He's got through the traffic, which is good. Always a bit of a worry when you're behind people that are perhaps a little bit slower. Sorry, yeah, behind. Yeah. Right, it looks like he's probably... I want to tempt fate, but I'm going to call it there because he's probably going to get bumped up, so I'll see you again when he does.
Okay, so this is something we don't tend to do, but it's something we want to start introducing. That is looking really at our sort of racing lines and how our cars are behaving on the track. So as you can see here, Mark is running his Team Associated B6.4. So since the MKGP, Mark has been a regular down at DMS, and he spent quite a lot of time making adjustments and changing the car to get it to handle on what is a very low grip track. And you can see there that the back end is starting to skip out. However, with this track, with the pop dots, if you get it a little bit wrong, you can see it is very unkind. But Mark had some really good battles on track, and here you can see him running with another of the guys down there, and they are on slightly different lines and their cars are behaving slightly differently. So the car behind Mark seems to be a little bit more planted. Mark is being a little bit more aggressive on the straights, which means he tends to overshoot some of the apexes, going a little bit deep, where the other guy's able to keep his car a little bit tighter and closer to the apexes, therefore getting better exits. And again here, if you have a look at there, Mark's car steps out a little bit, but the car behind, the back end really does want to step out. But this battle went on lap after lap, and it was quite obvious that Mark was struggling to keep with the pace of the car behind. But these were a good few laps of him sort of checking where he's at, having to hit every single apex, pushing as hard as he could. But again, the guy behind, I think, has got the better of him at the moment, having to check out there so he didn't hit Mark from behind. But again, straight away, he's back on Mark's bumper. Much cleaner through that section as well. On the next lap, I think Mark actually lets him come through. He held him up for a couple of laps. And then Mark was able to follow his lines through. So you can see there, Mark's pulled out to the left, allowing him to come through. It hasn't compromised Mark's lap much, but this is qualifying, so if if the pair of them sort of collide and hold each other up, then it's not doing either of them any favours, so it's best to be in the right order. But you can see there now, Mark's let the guy through and he's starting to push more, which meant he sort of overcooked it on that jump, sending it far too deep into that bottom turn. But it's quite nice to see the cars in slow motion, and we will be doing a few more videos like this in the future.
And they are away. Okay. Oh, as predicted, there was a little accident. This is up to fourth. And now there's another one. Okay. He's on pace with the rest of them. Oh, up to third. Can he hold third? He's got to fend off. Oh no! That's all it takes. Fourth. He's just got to take a deep breath now. And remember, he's still got 4 minutes left of this race. That can sometimes be a thing if you panic too early, start pushing. But remember, mistakes are okay in the first minute, maybe 2 minutes. You've got time to make it up. Oh, this will be interesting. Oh, that was close. Can he get through? He's been challenged by the person behind. Oh no, that's it. Now he's in last place. That's all it takes. Still, 1 minute and 10 in. He's got time to push. So he's just got to grit his teeth, get on with it. This lot over here a bit scrappy, so maybe they'll take each other out. You never know. Just got to stay calm. Keep calm, brother. Keep calm. So We are at DMS Racing. This is our local, and they're just about to go into their summer series starting from next week, which should be quite good. So maybe we'll get involved in that. We've got lots of other things on the horizon that we're doing, popping along at different places. And if you've not seen already, I'm doing a little bit of LMP racing, which is cool. So this is the leader challenging Cole there. Is he going to let him through? Yes. Okay, as predicted, there was a little bit of a mess there. Now he's... Oh. It's actually quite an interesting race. I think he'll enjoy this. Now he's got the challenge of actually pushing through this group. I reckon they're going to take each other out, these guys. But I might be wrong. See what happens. So we're now halfway in. There's been an accident here. So, where is he? I've lost him. I don't know where he is now. There he is. Okay. He's just got to try and battle his way through. He's getting some... I don't know if he's being lapped here. Oh! Oh no, he's on his roof. He won't like that. That's the problem. You go on your roof. We've got some fast old drivers at this club. Oh, I'm following the wrong car. You've got some fast drivers at this club, and you land on your roof like that, you could well be in trouble. It takes a little while for the marshals to get there sometimes. No, see, he's pushing, making mistakes now. That's where he's going wrong. Anyway, I've got to get my stuff ready for my final, so... Oh no! Oh no, he's having a mare. Oh no, he's pushing too hard, making mistakes. He won't be happy with himself. Anyway, I'm going to sign off from this race.